Hello, my name is Sam, and today I'm going to be showing how to install the coat rack wall safe. First thing to do is locate your two stud walls. They have to be 16 inches apart in order for the screws to be installed. So grab yourself a stud finder, and I've already located this one. And I've located this one also previously. At this point, just double check, make sure you have 16 inches, which I do. And then drive a small nail into the wall and slowly work your way to the edge of the stud. At this point, you're trying to ensure that you have 14 1/8 inches of gap in between the studs for the can on the back side of the coat rack to fit in between the stud walls. And I have roughly 4.5 inches. So we're doing fine. The next thing to do is create two small access holes to look for wire, plumbing, or any other hazard that might be buried in the wall, and there could be anything. So take your time, go slow. If you're unsure of what to do, hire a professional to do it for you. So I'm using a sharpened screwdriver here to cut two notches or two holes. And there's the stud. I'm going to take a small flashlight, a little arm on it, make sure there's no wires or plumbing. Also, at this time, you want to ensure that you have enough depth. And this is a standard 2x4 stud wall. Sometimes a wall is furred out off of the cement and it's not the correct depth. The depth you need is roughly 3¼ inches. We'll make the next hole now. Now I'm not driving way deep into the wall in case there is any plumbing or any wiring. I'm just driving deep enough to bust out the sheetrock. You may have different material you're working with, like a simulated wood grain paneling or something like that. So you'll have to use the appropriate tools to make those holes in the cut in the wall. I'll grab my flashlight again. Again, I have my stud. And it's a standard 2x4. And there appears to be no plumbing or wiring. At this point, I'm just going to use a Leatherman. Real simple tool. Using the blade off of it, or the saw blade off of it, I'm just going to rip down the sides and then come across. Now I've measured a top line, made sure it's perfectly level. As you can see, it's right there. We're good. I also measured a bottom line, and it's level also. And I've measured just over 6 inches for my vertical lines in between the two. And that's going to allow me enough room for the can on the back side of the coat rack box. So we've cut, let's see, we're almost done. This side. We'll come down this wall.